Hi, welcome back. Here in this practical exercise, we're going to write an accounting program for businesses where we could calculate the amount needed to be paid for a certain discount rate for a product. We could similarly perform wide range of operations or accounting operations like getting profit and loss and different percentages for the business. Here we are just simply interested in finding the discount rate. So let us we need to declare the class and the main method, and then we can continue our work. We have created different variables here: discount, dis for discount, amt amount for amount, mark price for mark price, s for sum, uh, and declare them as double return time. Let us initialize the mark price with 1000 and discount with 25. So it will be discount percentage, and we could display a message on the screen for our users. So simply we need to write system out println mark price is equals to a print element mark price. It will display the value of mark price, maximum retail price, and we could offer a discount to a user. We could also take input from the users as well, but based on what product they are purchasing, a list of product that could be pressed. Here we are displaying another message that discount rate is, that is discount percentage. A 25% discount is offered for a product here. We could use a different formula here for finding discount. S equals to 100 minus discount, and amount equals to S into mark price divided by 100. It will display the amount the user need to be paid. And we can print a message by writing system out println amount after discount that a customer needs to pay. Just provide the value of amount here simply on the screen. Let us execute this code. There are certain errors, spelling mistake, and mark price. Here mark price and market price is small and capital S. The issues are. You can go through the errors if they are different errors. No one can write error-free code, but after practice, you could uh, troubleshoot different set of errors. So here it is. The mark price is 1000, discount rate is 25%, and amount after discount to be paid by the customer is 750 rupees or US dollar or any unit, whatever you want to pay. Similarly, we could calculate a wide set of things: profit, loss, tax, income tax, sales tax, or such things that could be calculated. High-end accounting or business softwares are developed this way. They can be consisting of different variables, arrays, loops, certain formulas. You can also use mathematical functions as well based on your requirement.